If your Nissan Rogue backup camera is showing a black screen or flickering, here is how to troubleshoot the issue. Most camera issues on these vehicles are actually simple electrical or maintenance problems rather than total hardware failure. Let us break down the diagnostic process to help you narrow down the culprit. Start by cleaning the lens, checking your fuse panel, and inspecting the wiring harness near the trunk hinges. If the basics look fine, you might be dealing with a failed module or a loose connection behind the dash. Before pulling trim pieces off, try a hard reboot of your infotainment system to see if the video feed returns. Most simple fixes you can do at home, but wiring harness repairs often require a professional technician. Costs vary significantly based on whether you just need a cleaning or a full component replacement. If you have a multimeter, check if the camera is actually receiving power before ordering expensive replacement parts. Keep these 3 tools handy to prevent damaging your interior plastics while accessing the camera wiring. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the battery before working on internal electronics to avoid shorting the system. If this guide helped you fix your camera, hit that like button and subscribe for more Nissan troubleshooting tips.